There's a cool workflow that I want to spin up and show anybody that would be looking at targeting more than one vertical for your solution or services. So think about Microsoft like IT partners or maybe an accountant that serves multiple industries. Say you have multiple case studies or testimonials from companies that are in these different verticals and you want to reach out to people and you have a big list. Now, you want to reach out and you want to send them obviously case studies or testimonials with your outreach that was relevant to their industry. So how do we do that really quickly is, so the first thing that I want to do is, for myself, I thought I'd start with SMB companies in tech and professional services throughout the US, right? So we start there. We pull up a pretty good list. Now I first segment the list into multiple runs just so we can kind of play with that and make sure that when we do our enrichments and we do our kind of customizations that they fall in line before we run it on the whole list. So the first things we wanted to do is if we take a look at the companies, I wanted to categorize these into three different categories, right? So the first couple of categories we have here is category 1, software development companies, category 2, call centers, and category 3, recruitment firms. And these are based on the three different testimonials of live campaigns that we have running right now. So now once these are categorized, and you can see a lot of them fall into the category 1 because they're software development, but we also do have some category 2 software development, category 3 call centers and stuff as well, right? So now that we have that category for each of the industries, we want to choose the right testimonials. So basically I create another AI agent that goes in here and we have category 1 output, category 2 output, and category 3 output. Now there is a more elegant way to do this where we can actually link to the case studies and stuff, but for now I just want to create a quick message, and we don't want, because this is a cold outreach, we don't want to include any links and we don't want to include any kind of actual attachments in this email. So really all we want to do is find people that would be in the same industry and then give them the testimonial case study through the email and then offer to send it to them.